Hi.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing a really random video.
What's in our fridge?
Don't know what's in our fridge. Alrighty guys, so let me show you what's in our fridge. Nothing. We literally have nothing in our fridge. And that's pretty much it. So end of the video guys. Bye!
So I'm gonna show you guys a couple things that are in our fridge. We got a lamb. We got a small lamb, the baby lamb.
This is bye.
We got a tripod. Okay, now for real guys. We're gonna show you what we have in our fridge.
So this is our fridge. It's about the same size as me, and that's kind of small, but it's okay. It's only two of us. So on the top of our fridge, we have Frosted Flakes with Tone of the Tiger. It's our favorite cereal. I don't even think we have much in here anymore. Yeah, we actually don't really have much in here. We got buttermilk bread, because that is our favorite. And then we got our Cheerios, multi-grain Cheerios. To be honest, we don't even eat those. We've had those forever and we don't eat those, because they're not as sugary as the Frosted Flakes. So we don't eat those. They're just there to make it seem like we're healthy, which we are. So we're gonna start off with the fridge, because there's less stuff in the fridge. So we got that extra lean ground pork. We got some, what is this? Fake crab meat. We got some garlic cubes, because ain't nobody got time to crush or mince garlic and have their hands smell like shit. We got some 93% lean ground beef. We got some strawberry cheesecake ice cream. We got our Skinny Cows, because we freaking love these. We usually eat all the vanilla ones, so now we just have cookies and cream. You're gonna eat those, babe, because I don't like the cookies and cream one.
Yes, I will.
Then we got some ribs in here, or steak. I think this is steak. And our chicken cilantro wontons. These are pretty good. We got these at Costco, and these are really good. So that's what we have in there. Not much. This is where we have the mother load. Okay, so we'll start off with the door, okay? So we have our Walden Farm strawberry syrup, because, you know, we're healthy. We got, what is this? Chipotle salsa. We got Thai curry, Thai green curry. We got apricot preserves. This is super good if you have toast, butter, and apricot jelly. Apricot is my favorite. We got some chipotle peppers, sesame dressing, which is thebomb.com. We got some paste.
Salsa.
We got some Philadelphia peach cream cheese, and we got some gyoza sauce, which is good for our wontons. So then in here we got our butter and Kraft cheese, mayonnaise, chilies, our Clamato tomato juice, our pizza sauce, and our Japanese mayo. Soto hates this stuff, but I actually really like it. And I think I really like the packaging too. It's so squishy. I like it. Okay, so in here we have our little meal preps that we usually have in our Tupperware. We have I have some sweet potatoes here that I have meal prepped, sour cream and cheese. Babe, what is this?
That is the yosu sauce. Why are you opening it?
Sauce? Oh, okay, that's yours. And then we got our eggs here. We have more eggs. We have a lot of eggs because I like eggs.
Oh, well.
I like eggs. And then we got our greens. We got our greens because again, we're healthy. We got our nopales because Soto's Mexican. We got
Yes, I am.
got Soto's milk. I don't drink milk because I'm lactose intolerant, so I got my almond milk. We got some naked juice and our butter. We have tortillas because again, Soto's Mexican.
Yes, I am.
We got our bacon, our chorizo because you know, Soto's Mexican.
You like the chorizo.
We got our ketchup, got some cheese, more veggies down there. We got our tomatoes and more chiles because you know Soto's Mexican. So gotta have chiles in here. All the chiles. What do we have in here? Ooh, we got all the ham, all the turkey all the turkey. Ooh, and more chorizo. Because y'all know Soto's Mexican. We got that pepper jack cheese with the chili.
Because you know
Soto's
Jessica
Mexican.
is white.
No. No. If you guys didn't know, I'm Salvadorian. Okay, so that's pretty much all we have in here. That's all we have. That's pretty much it. Yeah. And this, I just see on the corner, so I have to say something about it. This is where I carry all the little groceries when I go grocery shopping in my little grocery bag. My mom brought me this back from El Salvador. It's handmade from El Salvador. So this is where I carry all these little goodies. Pretty much. And, oh, we have more food over here. In our little,
That's not in the part of the refrigerator.
oh, okay. So that was pretty much it, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. Show us some love. Bye.
Bye.
This is a great idea until I have to put everything back inside now. It's easier to take everything out, but now I have to organize it back inside.